Now, Cap gave you first alert weather with Jason Valentine, sponsored by Lord's Health and Trios Health, making communities healthier.
Good Monday evening, everyone. Hope you've had a wonderful weekend, a nice day today. Smoke has entered our area. It entered this yesterday morning, and it cooled things off a bit, even though it was still pretty darn hot yesterday. Winds are picking up and slowly cooling temps as we move into the rest of our work week. Though we could be a touch warmer than we are today, tomorrow. I'll explain why. So 96 right now in the Tri-Cities, 95 in Yakima. We had that excessive heat warning that was extended to this evening, but this cloud coverage and the smoke has cooled things down, and we expect maybe to see a little bit more sunshine tomorrow, though the haze could return. And our temperature trend, we're just going to hang right below that triple-digit number and then cool off as we head into the weekend. 88 by Friday is the cool point. These are numbers for the Tri-Cities. And then we're just going to be warming back up into our weekend and our next work week. So our air quality, we've been keeping a close eye on it with that smoke, and it is staying pretty tough. We're staying in the good zone for most of our areas. Looks like Toppenish is seeing moderate, but we're seeing just occasional moderate air for the Tri-Cities region, for even Ellensburg and Yakima. So we're keeping a close eye on that as we are seeing that smoke coming up from that Northern California fire. So wind speeds, we have a bit of wind speeds to talk about. 10-mile-per-hour winds in Toppenish, very heavy down in the Dalles. We're not seeing the heavy stuff yet, but we do have that red flag warning that is good until tomorrow night at 9 o'clock. So that means between 10 to 25-mile-per-hour winds. And again, a red flag warning is to alert first responders that there is heightened fire danger for the next couple of days. So our futurecast, we saw just a hint of shower activity as we moved into our afternoon, but we are going to be seeing clearing tomorrow. That just depends on the smoke. It does look like the smoke is going to be moving out, but we could see still a little bit of haze from that. But we're just seeing more sunshine on the way. So those clouds that we saw today are going to be moving on out. So overnight tonight, we are a little bit off where we have been. 72 for the Tri-Cities, 65 for Yakima, and the coolest we've seen in some time, 61 in Ellensburg. So overnights are starting to settle down. As we move into our Tuesday, moving along in the week, more haze is expected, but hopefully less than we saw just yesterday with that smoke coming up from the south. So triple digits for Hanford. Other than that, we're in the mid to upper 90s for most of our areas. A very comfortable 88 for Ellensburg. So we're definitely out of that excessive heat warning, which is good news, but still that means we are still seeing some hot temperatures throughout. 7-day forecast, and we're going to finally see a drop to 91 on Thursday. Again, that's right around the average for this time of year. 88 by Friday, and then we'll warm back up as we head into our next work week. So we're not done with the triple digits, but we are done with that extreme heat, at least for the time being. Could come back in August, but rarely does it ever. 96 for Tuesday and Wednesday, down to 88 for Yakima on Thursday, and 86 by Friday. So folks, we do expect more sunshine to be on the way. We just saw those clouds, and again, just a little bit of shower activity today. It was almost like Mother Nature kind of throwing a fit after all of that heat, and then changes coming as we're heading into this week. So we do expect a little less smoke for our areas, but we could see that haze return tomorrow. But it looks like we're going to be seeing cooler temperatures, especially as we get to Thursday and Friday for the week ahead.